Hey guys, my name is Rados and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different than the videos you've been used to seeing on my channel. For this video I've partnered with CMP Group in Paris and they've sent me so many things from their showroom and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm super excited to start unboxing this. I see so many things over here. CMP Group has two brands that I really liked. One of them is called Cook Concept and the other one is called Lilly Cook. So Cook Concept has all the different utensils that you might need in the kitchen, and Lilly Cook are the utensils that you would use normally for baking. So over here we have a bench scraper. So this is something if you're baking bread you will be using a lot. It's a really cool utensil. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have a cereal box. That's a pretty cool thing if you want to make your own. This is what I wanted to show you. So they have, in Lilly Cook, they have the whole set if you're decorating a cake. So for example, this is an idea for the cake. And inside you will get all the utensils you need to make this sort of like a gravity cake. Or like a set like this from Lilly Cook. So over here you have 3 different types of molds if you want to make like a 3-tier cake. And you're gonna also get all the utensils like the piping bag and everything. This is like for fondant. And over here you have the whole guide how to make the 3-tier cake. So this is something that can be interesting like for a kid's party. If you like to make like butter cookies, over here you have the jar, and inside it comes with different molds, so you can cut them. Over here, I don't know if you guys can see. So it's like these butter cookies that usually come in these metal boxes, if you remember. So we have a rolling pin. This is something that's pretty standard, but pretty cool. Like the colors are really nice. If you're frying something, you'd put this on top. So it lets the steam come outside, but it stops the oil from going all around the kitchen. So pretty cool thing. There's so many things, I think I will not be able to fit everything on my table. This is for ice if you're making cocktails. So you would freeze it and then you can use it as a spoon basically to stir up the cocktail. So this is also from Cook Concept. This is the gloves for the oven. I really need that. This is an ice tray, silicone, really cool and useful. There's so many things. Okay, so this is a zester. So this is when you're trying to take a bit of zest like from lemons or oranges to put in the cakes. It's really good because it's just gonna remove the upper part of the zest. It's not gonna take the white part, which gives you like that bitter flavor. So super cool, super practical. Everybody knows that I love avocado. You would cut avocado in half. You would take out the seed, put it, and just pull out, and you would get like avocado cubes that are perfect for guacamole or if you want to make like avocado toast or whatever. Over here, this is a measuring cup, but a really cool one. So you have like for sugar, for flour, for liquids, scissors for the kitchen, but you can use them to cut vegetables and everything. Like it's a knife on one side and on the other side you have like a small piece of board. So it helps you like cut everything without like dirtying so many dishes. Okay, so I'm excited about this. So basically this is a cooling rack if you're making cookies and stuff like that. When you take them out, you leave it to air dry on this. Okay, so I don't have an excuse now. I have to make biscuits now. So I have a really cool container for butter cookies. So we're gonna do that in one of the next videos for sure. Okay, so this is like a bowl scraper. It's for when you're making different types of creams and things like that. So it helps you to scrape the bowl easier. So this is for pasta, for draining. These are pretty cool. So different colors. So they're silicone, they're heat resistant. So really nice thing. Okay, I wanted to show you this. So this is basically when you're making a tart. So these are silicone weights that you would put in a tart while it's baking, so it doesn't rise up. So to keep it in place, like this is something that professional bakers are using, really cool. And at the end, we have a timer. So this is something that you need if you're in the kitchen. Pretty good, super practical, and it has a magnet on the back side so you can put it on the fridge. So, oh my god, I can't wait to start using all of these things. You're gonna be seeing them in all of my next videos. And also, one of the important things in the future, we're gonna be doing giveaways with CMP group, and I'm gonna be announcing it on my profile on Instagram and on YouTube. Can't wait to share these things with you guys. You can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. I will link their account. And until next time, see you!